Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to model cubes using Freecad. We'll cover different techniques and approaches to create and manipulate cubes, helping you get comfortable with the software. So, let's dive in and get started. So, when you open your Freecad software, you're greeted with this page. I think from Freecad 1.0. And on this page, we have recent files, maybe files you've been working on, as you can see. And I think these are examples of some models designed by FreeCAD guys. But our main focus is on the workbenches. So, as you can see, we have the parametric part workbench, assembly workbench, 2D drafts, BIM architecture workbench for architects, an empty file, and then if you want to open a card model or any of these other files, you can with the open file function here. So today we are going to be working on modeling cubes. So we can either start our environment with an empty file or a parametric part. And the difference is that when you use the parametric part, it will load the body in the environment with all the planes as well as the XY plane, XZ plane, YZ plane, and all its axes as well. So I will close this window for a bit and then relaunch FreeCAD again. And let's wait for it. We will start with the empty file and then create everything from scratch. So this is the empty file. We go to tasks, create body, and create sketch. Then we will select our XY plane, and then we will start with a line, just a single line function to create our square sketch. I would dimension it to 20, and then horizontal line as well, trying to position it, and then the vertical line down, and another horizontal line. And I'll dimension everything to 20. I'm putting it beside the planes just to easily constrain the square. So you either close or escape, and then you select pad or extrude in some CAD software, extrude the box, and then we have a perfect cube. Okay, so this is one way. Next way is to create a body, and then this time we are going to use the polyline. So we go to polyline, select our point of origin, and then draw the square. I'm going to dimension it to 20 again. You can either use D on the keyboard or select the dimension tool on the toolbar as well. And 20, escape or close, and then we extrude or we use the pad parameter. And the third way would be to use the square function in the toolbar. Oh yeah, we could also create it from the center. We could create it from the edge. Create it also. We can also use this as automatic fillets as well on the vertices when you're trying to sketch a box with that function. So go back to rounded rectangle, and then you see you have nice fillets around the rectangle, and you can also dimension the you can also give dimensions to the fillets as well. So we are just going to use our regular rectangle. I will take it from I'll take it from the origin, not centered, and then draw a rectangle as usual, dimension it to 20. Escape or close, and we extrude 20. Nice. Now the fourth way is to use this additive primitive function, and in that additive primitive function on the toolbar, we have multiple functions as well. So we're just going to take the additive box, and what we will do is, as you can see, it's already created a preview on the surfaces of the planes. So that is on the XY plane, and then on the XZ plane it's in the corner, or from the origin, and then also at the edge of the box. So all we just have to do is to change this to 20. That's the length, the width, and the height, and then it would automatically create our cube for us. Yep. So yeah, these are some of the ways we can create cubes in Freecad. So yeah, thank you very much, and see you later.